welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name's Sierra, and today we're going to talk about the power button on your Cricut machine. I have the Cricut Maker and the Cricut Joy. The Maker has the power button. The Joy does not have a power button. It does have a light though. So same thing, there's always a light on one of your machines, or on all of your machines. And today we're going to talk about that. I want to kind of review what each color light means and what to do if you're in a situation where you get a blue light or a red light. Those are the two colors that aren't normal. The normal color is the white light. So when you turn your machine on, you get a bright white light. That means that you're good to go. If any of the other lights are lit up, it means you're good to go. If none of the other lights are lit up, it means that you're not in a project yet, or you have a bigger error. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about all of that. First, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, you should definitely do it. Go subscribe right now. It's just that little red button down there. It says subscribe. Super easy. Doesn't do you any harm. Does you lots of good though. You'll learn lots of cool stuff like what you're gonna learn today. All right, anyways, moving on. So first, the white light. The white light is good. That means that everything is working as it should and that you don't have any issues. The other light is blue. If you have a blue power light, and I would show you, but it's so far away it wouldn't even really make a difference. But if the power button on your Cricut machine is blue, that means that you are connected through Bluetooth. Bluetooth. I see what you did there, Cricut. And that you're using the Bluetooth from either your phone, your tablet, your computer to connect to your machine. I personally will only use Bluetooth for connecting if I absolutely have to. It is slower to me and it's just not worth the headache. So I always just have my cord with me, or I just connect through the cord at home. I hardly ever use Bluetooth except for the Joy. I mean, you don't really have a choice on that. You have to connect through Bluetooth, and that's totally fine because it's such a tiny machine that it doesn't take up so much time to process everything for you. It does do a whole lot of stuff. If you haven't gotten your hands on one of those bad boys, get your hands on one now. I'll drop a link down in there so you can save on one. All right, so the blue button is simple. It's Bluetooth. There's nothing wrong with your machine. I thought there was at first, but the blue light means that there is Bluetooth connected, and that is what you're using to process your project. Now, the color that you want to be on the lookout for is the red power button. If your power button is red and flashing or red and still, and no other lights are on, that means that you have a power connection issue and that you need to fix it immediately. I say this with very, very, very much importance because I've seen a lot of people who don't unplug their Cricut machine when they are done working with it for the day. I did this for the longest time until I found out about what could happen. So there's been a lot of talk about Cricuts causing house fires, and yes, it is true. They can definitely do that. It is an electronic and it is a very powerful one. It's got a lot going on inside of it. So you want to make sure that not only do you turn your machine off when you are done with it, you unplug it. Always turn it off and unplug it. It's just like a hair dryer or a flat iron. Don't leave it plugged in. And unfortunately, if it causes a house fire, there's more than a Cricut there to lose. You know, you could lose everything. And you don't want that. I don't want that for you. So take my advice, unplug it, turn it off and then unplug it, and then just plug it back in, turn it back on. I just did that, and it took me all of 3 seconds. It's not an inconvenience whatsoever. So follow that. But to fix your red power button issue, what you want to do is find a different outlet. Sounds really annoying and a nuisance, but totally works. So I had some issues with the outlet that's over there that my computer is now plugged into, and all I had to do was get a power strip, which is recommended to have these on anyway, and I plugged it into a outlet over there. That way I can still have my machine set up here, but then it's connected to a power cord, and not a power cord, a power strip, and it's over there. Yeah, I have this big long cord going across the room, but I have a solution for that. I'm going to make all my cords go up the wall and down. That way I don't have to worry about the cords on the floor. It drives me crazy. But first try that. If that doesn't work, that means that you need a new power cord. What I would do is contact Cricut directly. Email them, give them a call, chat with them online, however is easiest for you. Let them know that you have the red button and that you would like to request a new power cord. Chances are they'll send you one. If you've purchased your machine within the last year or two, they'll just send you a new cord. You just have to let them know that you've tried this and you've tried that, because they're gonna take you through those steps anyway. They're gonna say the exact same thing that I'm telling you now, but they're gonna say, turn it off, turn it back on. Turn it off, give it a few minutes. Turn it off, unplug it, plug it into a new outlet, and then turn it back on. They're gonna give you all of this and say that you've already done it. Because if you're watching this, chances are you have, which is great. That means you're listening. So that is what the red button of doom means. It's not a doom. It's just you got to figure out how to fix it. And it's a power issue. Always. That's it. So we have white light, good. Blue light, Bluetooth. And red light, not good, not bad, just meh. It's an inconvenience, it's an annoyance, but it's an easy fix and an inexpensive one. If Cricut will not send you a new cord on them, you can buy a new cord. And they're only like 20 bucks, I think, and it's well worth it because this machine is my baby, one of my babies. So friends, that is what the lights on your Cricut machine mean. That's what they mean when they're different colors, white, blue, red. I haven't seen any green lights, but I think that those are the only three, white, blue, and red. If you have another color, let me know so that I can figure out what the heck it means and tell you what it means and how to fix it. All right, so go ahead, subscribe, because you know I'm awesome and you know you want more of me. Subscribe down there, hit the bell, that way you get an alert when I'm on. And like this video. Drop me a comment. Tell me how you feel. Tell me if your machine is frustrating you. Let me know how I can fix it. And until next time, we'll see you later.